What's up, y'all? It's Tyson with Captain Spiffy, and today I'm giving you reasons why you should buy an Icon EV. Okay, one of the first reasons as to why you should buy one of these beautiful golf carts is the battery system. It's set up with 48 volt in configurations of 6 volt or 8 volt AGM batteries. AGM is short for absorbed glass mat. It's very similar looking to the lead acid battery, although there are some key major differences. Those differences are charge time. So charge time for a normal lead acid vehicle, 8 to 10 hours. Charge time for the AGM battery setup in the Icon EV, 1 to 3 hours. Okay. Also extended range, about 5% more range than what your standard lead acid vehicle will get you. And it will last for 6 to 8 years. The AGM batteries also come equipped with a 2-year factory warranty. It also comes standard in multiple configurations. So as you can see, this is our lifted showroom, our lifted 4-passenger showroom to be exact. Over there we have our 6-seaters, lifted and non-lifted. Okay. So we also carry an i20U, which is a utility golf cart. Okay, so there are multiple different configurations that could suit your needs. Icon EVs are equipped with a 5 kilowatt high output AC motor. The AC motor is super efficient, allows for more torque, more speed, and more acceleration. Another key difference with the Icon EV is that it has a front independent suspension, capable for off-roading features. The fact as to why the Icon EV is so advantageous is the fact that it has front independent suspension with heavy-duty shocks, coilovers, and it comes standard with hydraulic disc brakes. What about the speed of the Icon EV? A lot of people come in here asking us, well, how fast do they go? Well, much faster than that of a standard golf cart. All of our Icon EVs can go 25 miles an hour from the factory. Getting more into the electrical side of the golf cart, it comes standard with an onboard intelligence charger. It'll charge the vehicle all the way up, shut off, and then turn back on once it detects a voltage drop. All of our Icon EVs come standard with an LCD digital dash that shows your battery percentage, your speed, your voltage, and your mileage, as well as having upgraded safety features like turn signals, LEDs, brake lights, and seat belts. It's a bussin' company, it's a bussin' product, and let me tell you, we're bussin' dealers, okay? Captain Spiffy has now been selling Icons for over a year now, and we firmly stand behind our product. Here at Captain Spiffy Carts, we truly believe in the Icon EV product and have rapidly grown into one of their biggest dealers nationwide. You can leave here knowing that you bought a reputable product from a reputable dealer whose #1 priority is customer satisfaction. Contact us today at 765-299-0433 or captainspiffycarts@gmail.com for more information.